Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to open a bkash student account. Firstly, head to the Google Play Store and download the bkash app. Enter your mobile number, then verify it by the code received at the SMS. Now, choose birth certificate for ID and verify your ID. You can just upload a front side and back side photos of your ID. Now, you need to take a photo of your digital birth certificate and fill in details like gender, income, and occupation. And add your parent as the nominee and capture a selfie. Next, all you have to do is submit the application. Your parent will verify your account via their bkash app, and you can set a 5-digit PIN to complete the process. And that's it guys, your student account will be then ready for sure. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.